How to recover a TikTok streak. So if you've lost a streak with your friend and now you want to recover your streak, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have stable internet connection. After opening your TikTok, you need to just go with the inbox, which is on the bottom right. From your inbox, now you need to go with the person's chat in which you've lost the streak. Like for example, I'll go with this person. You need to send a message, and if the other person also sends you a message or sends you a chat for 3 consecutive days, then you'll be able to start a streak. Or you can also go with streak pet, which is on the bottom. Tap on send invite. Now if the other person accepts your invite and if you both chat for 3 days, then you will start a streak. In this way, you'll be able to start the streak once again, but make sure that you've been consistent for 3 days. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.